In this video, I will show you how to set a site requirement, whether that be for orientation forms or certifications. So the first thing you want to do is log into your user account. You will scroll down to make sure that any documents are uploaded first into our template library. Then we'll go into the projects and sites to access your specific project information. We'll locate your project and click into the edit icon, opening up the fields to modify. Find the requirements tab at the top and select add new rule. And we are going to make this a rule for all of our workers to complete each of these documents. So we have our site orientation that was in our template library that we've added. You'll hit next all the way through, and then finally you will select update. And now this is saved for your specific site and will be rolled out to all workers coming onto your project to complete as a set rule.